the observing matter. So matters mean it's in everywhere. It's in everywhere, every object, and it also helps with too. So the first one is magnify. Magnify, like when you want to see a flower look very small and you want to see it larger, you use the magnifier and look through it. It was very large. Magnify means to make something larger. An ant, when it was very small, tiny little bit like this, you take the magnifier and look in it. It was very big enough for you to see the body part of it. The next one is light. Light and heavy are the opposite word because light means no heavy and heavy means no light. Light means having a little width, only a little width, like a paper, not only a little width, so you can easily grab it and take it everywhere. Like clothes, a cup, and things that are small and things are small, they are light, and things are big, they are heavy. But some things big, they are big, but they are just light. But when things are very small like this, not so small, but they are very heavy. So the next one is heavy. Heavy means having a lot of weight, not light. Mean that like a bed, a cupboard, or maybe a door. It was very big and it was very heavy. So we can't just grab it and take it everywhere because it was very heavy. We can't even pull it off. So heavy and light are the opposite word because heavy, light means just a little weight, not too much weight, but heavy means a lot of weight and it was not light. So these are the opposite word. The next one is soft. Soft means easy to bend, cut, and fold. Like a pillow, it was very easy to bend it and cut it, but don't cut the pillow. Or maybe your mom will like say that you need to buy another one because you cut the pillow and it was very small and we can't sleep in the small pillow. Or maybe we could fold the pillow. Like we fold the blanket, we can fold it. So it was very soft. So we can like squishy. It was very soft. And soft was the opposite word to hard. Hard means not easy to bend or to break or bend. Like a brick, it was very hard. We can't just break it off. A hand will hurt. Or maybe there is a little bit like cracks in it, and in that case, we could easily break it because it have like a crack, so it will be like easy to break it. So these are the opposite word, and this is the opposite word. Two opposite words in this, and the observing manner. In observing manner, there are two opposite words, and there's two. Fold and sing. Three opposite words in this lesson. The next one is balance. It's a tool. Balance is not like you go on a string and you put your hand like this, and you go like this. That is not the balance I want to say. Balance means a tool. It's a tool, not like some adjective like go like this in a string. When you go it will be hardly to get out because the string was very small and it will be very hard for us to go. A tool. This is a balance. A balance is a tool used to find how heavy something is. Like this is a balance. I know here, one side here, and here. A clock. I don't know what's it. And maybe we put something here and something here. If the thing, this one like this one like this, means this one is one. And if this one is up, it means it was lighter. So this is a balance tool to find how heavy something is. So this means this one is heavier than this one, and this one is lighter than this one. Next one is property. Property like some houses, and this like house, and this like this is my property, but this is not that property. It's the other one. It's anything you learn about. An object by using your sense. Like we learn it by our sense. Like a flower, we learn it by our sense of smell. We smell it. We smell it and see that it was very beautiful, very good. So it's the thing that we learn from our sense. Smell, taste, hearing, and sight. And these are some sense. And this property also called characteristic. Like character plus ristic, like character in the movie, and as istic in it. And it's turning to characteristic. And it's also like property, the same meanings, but the other words. But it was the same meaning. The next one is float. So float is opposite to sink. Heavy is opposite to light, and hard is opposite to soft. Float means to stay on top of a liquid, like a ball. Here is a liquid, water, and we put a ball in, and it was up here. It means it was float, and it's called floating. The ball is floating in the liquid, and it stays on top of a liquid, here, on top of the water. And if it sinks like a brick is light thing, light and soft thing, float from the liquid, hard and heavy thing, sink because of the weight. They are very heavy, so they sink, and the light and soft thing, the weight are very less and very less and a little bit, so they float. Sinks is to fall from a liquid. Here it's fall down, and here is sink, and this one is float. Only heavy thing sink, and only light thing float. No heavy thing float, and no light thing sink. That was nonsense. The next one, the last one is handlings. It's to magnify matter. Here handlings like in a magnify. Here we have handlings here. This one you can see matter in it. So because of the board is full, I still have some questions, but I don't write it on the board because the board is full. The first one is what is the light thing sink and the heavy thing floats. So I think that it would be nonsense because if heavy thing here, if we can't even pick it up, so if we pick it up, it was heavy and our body will go down. So it was like sink. The water can't pick it up, so it was sink. So it was nonsense because heavy thing don't float, and light thing sink. Light means we can float it, we can even play with it. It wasn't hard, heavy on something, and the liquid also like us. It could also pick up the light thing, so it could float. So the next one is, what if no one never invents a magnifier? So I think if they never invent a magnifier, we can see like handlings. We can have handlings and we can see matter, and we can invent matters. So and also we can see some small tiny thing like virus, or maybe some virus in our body, or some in our body we use a telescope or something, and we can see the space with the telescope. Telescope are kind of like magnified, and we can see tiny little animals, and we can see the body part, and they never and when we search, if never in that magnify, we search on Google, we say add body part, it will share nonsense because it don't have magnify and we can't see it bigger. So that's the end of today observing matter. See you again. Have a nice time. Goodbye.